बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your science class. Let's start our studies. Okay students, all of you open page 14. This is page 14 and on page 14 we are having this exercise 6. Question 6 is complete the sentences using the words in the boxes. We have to use these words. Okay, हमने इन words को use करना है, then we will fill in the blanks. Okay students, number 1 is I can dash the stars. I can dash the stars. मैं स्टार्स को क्या कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ? आई कैन सी द स्टार्स. सी देखना, मैं स्टार्स को देख सकती हूँ या देख सकता हूँ. आई कैन सी द स्टार्स. वी कैन यूज़ द सेंस ऑफ साइट. 2 is I can dash the teacher speaking. When your teacher is speaking in the class, which sense do you use, students? You use the sense of hearing. So I can hear when the teacher is speaking in the class. Very good. Now let's come on page 15. Okay students, this is page 15. Okay students, number 3 is, this is 3. I feel dash, I dash hot in sunlight. I dash hot in sunlight. I feel hot in sunlight. जब सनलाइट होती है, तेज़ धूप होती है, आपको गर्मी लगती है ना, जब वो लग रही होती है, इट मीन्स यू आर फीलिंग हॉटनेस और कोल्डनेस. ठीक है, आपको महसूस होता है, यू फील. ओके, आई कैन डैश द आइसक्रीम. आई कैन डैश आइसक्रीम. आई कैन टेस्ट आइसक्रीम. आप आइसक्रीम को टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. आई कैन स्मेल द फ्लावर्स. आई कैन स्मेल द फ्लावर्स. आप फ्लावर्स को सूंघ सकते हैं. आई कैन स्मेल, मैं फ्लावर्स को सूंघ सकती हूँ, स्मेल कर सकती हूँ विद द हेल्प ऑफ आवर नोज. ओके, सो आई फील हॉट इन सनलाइट. आई कैन टेस्ट आइसक्रीम. आई कैन स्मेल द फ्लावर्स. ओके. Okay, question 7 is which sense do you think is the most important? Tell your teacher. Say why. आपको क्या लगता है कि कौन सी सेंस अल्लाह ताला ने जो हमें 5 सेंसेस दी हैं उसमें से कौन सी सेंस सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है? ओके, इज़ देयर एनी सेंस विच इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट? क्या कोई ऐसी सेंस है जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है? आई थिंक स्टूडेंट्स ऑल द सेंसेस आर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, सेंस ऑफ साइट, सेंस ऑफ टच, सेंस ऑफ हेयरिंग, सेंस ऑफ स्मेल, ये सारी बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. अगर इनमें से कोई एक नहीं होती तो हमारे लिए ज़िंदगी बहुत टफ हो जाती. ठीक है, हमारे लिए देखना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, चखना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. हम जब किसी चीज़ को टच करते हैं वो भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. हम स्मेल करते हैं वो भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो वी हैव टू से अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह फॉर ऑल दीज 5 सेंसेस. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सो ऑल द सेंसेस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. All the 5 senses are very important. Now we are on question 8. This is question 8. Movement word search. This is a mind game. What is this, students? This is a mind game. Okay. First of all, you have to find CHEW, chew. You have to find where is chew. CHEW, chew. You have to find the spelling of chew in this box of alphabets. So here it is, CHEW, chew. मिल गया? Now what you will do, you will make a circle like this. Very good. Next is MOVE, move. Where it is? It is here, MOVE, move. This is MOVE, move. Next is nod, NOD, nod. Here it is, NOD, nod. Then EAT, eat. Where it is? Here it is, EAT, eat. Very good. Now run. Where is run? Can you find run run? Here it is, run run. Now push, push push. Where is push, students? Can you find it? Come find with me. Where is push? Yes, tell me where it is. I cannot see. Here it is, push push. This is a mind game, okay? Now pull. Where is pull? Can you find pull? Tell me. Here it is, pull pull. Now walk, walk. Where is walk? Can you tell me? Here it is, walk. This is walk. Now kick, kick. Here it is, kick, kick. Now jump. Where is jump? Tell me. Yes, help me. Where is jump? Your teacher cannot find. First of all, we have to see where is J. J. This is jump. Yes, this is jump. So this is a mind game, okay? We have to see these words in this box of alphabets. And we have successfully completed all these words. We have find out chew, move, nod, eat, run, push, pull, walk, kick and jump. Very good. Okay students, now it's your homework time. Students, your homework is you have to complete this mind game in your book and then share the picture of this mind game in your WhatsApp group. Okay, your teacher will check it over there. You can also use colors. Okay, आप colors को भी use कर सकते हैं, different kinds of colors when you are filling these. Okay, let me show you how you can use colors. Okay students, now you can see your teacher is using colors in a very neat and clean way. I am doing this game. I have found move. Now I will go for chew, chew, chew. Here it is chew. I will color it. Okay students, you can see I have colored chew. Now node, this is nod, node. I will color it. Okay students, now you can see I have used different colors and it is looking very beautiful. This is move, this is push and jump, chew, run, pull, nod and walk and eat and kick. Okay, you have to complete this exercise in this way. Okay, have a look over here. आपने इस तरह इसको कंप्लीट करना है विद ब्यूटीफुल कलर्स एंड देन यू हैव टू टेक द पिक्चर एंड शेयर द पिक्चर इन योर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home, stay safe my dear students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Allahumma anfa'na bima 'allamtana wa 'allimna ma yanfa'una wa zidna ilma.